Alright, I welcome everyone to the channel. This is Danielite, and in today's video you'll be getting a free $100 deposit bonus which you'll be using to trade. And for the terms and condition, it's pretty easy. As you can see, it's showing on the screen right here. And I really appreciate those who have taken their time to subscribe to the channel. And if you're just seeing the video for the very first time, don't forget to click on the subscription button. Kindly like the video and share to others so that they can also benefit with you on how to get a free capital. Alright, so in this broker we'll be getting the bonus form. It's called IX broker, where you'll be getting them through your Instagram account. So you go to their post on Instagram, where you click on first of all you do this tags, where you like their post, comment, you like the post, follow their account, and comment done. And at the same time also add the name of two guys you want to share this bonus with. So once you're done with that, you click on, there's a link you see in their description showing up, where you click on it, and then it takes you to their site, where you'd have to put in your details to sign up with them. And once you're done signing up with them, I will show you how I did mine. So you click on the link shown right here, and this link will take you to their main site. As you can see it up here, click on register now, and it takes you to the main site. As you can see, it's showing here. So the next thing you do is click on get started. Once you click on get started showing right here, then it take you to where you put in your details, the terms and condition, and you accept it. And once you're done with that, the next step is to fill in your login details. So from here right here, you click on sign up showing down here. Once you click on sign up, it takes you to where you put in your details, your first name, your last name, your Gmail, phone number, and once you're done with that, you click on register, and immediately a message will be sent to your Gmail, where you have to go straight to your Gmail. As you can see right here, see the message. You click on verify. Once you click on verify, this is to verify your Gmail, and from there you put in your login details and you'll be logged into their site. So as you can see, I've been logged in, and the next thing is to do is to go back to your Gmail. You'll also see another message from IX broker, that is to activate your account. Once you click on activate, your account will be activated. You'll be taken back to the site. As you can see right here, I've been taken back to the site. So the next thing is to go to your Instagram account. In your DM, you should receive the message like this from IX broker. So you click on I did it. Once you click on it, then they'll request for your Gmail, which you used in opening an account with them. So you send your Gmail to them, and once you do that, once you send your Gmail to them, then they'll credit you with the $100 no deposit bonus after like an hour or two. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share to others so that they can also benefit with you. Have a nice day.